Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix to make a website. First, navigate to Wix. And sign up for a free account. You'll then select a template that best suits your vision, whether it's for a business, portfolio, or blog. Don't worry, you can change this later. Next, use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to begin customizing your site's layout, colors, and fonts. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your online presence. Now, let's focus on populating your website with engaging content. Upload your best images and videos to create compelling galleries that showcase your work or products. Craft clear, concise text for each page, ensuring it resonates with your audience. Explore the Wix app market to add powerful features like booking systems, online stores, or live chat, enhancing your site's functionality and user experience. Before going live, it's vital to optimize your site for search engines. Use Wix's built-in SEO tools to add meta descriptions and keywords, helping people find you online. Consider connecting a custom domain name, which gives your website a professional and memorable address. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit the Publish button to launch your site and share it with the world. To continuously improve your website, regularly check Wix Analytics to understand visitor behavior and identify areas for enhancement. Consider setting up email marketing campaigns directly through Wix to keep your audience engaged and informed about new content or offers. Remember, a dynamic website evolves with your needs. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep exploring Wix's features to maximize your site's potential.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.